Multi-device car charger with the capacity to charge 5 passengers' devices at once. 5 intelligent USB ports which detect your device and delivers the fastest possible charge. Front hub 2 USB and back hub 3 USB are connected through a 5 feet cable. Works with 12V 24V vehicle outlets and cigarette lighters. Features a smooth, rubberized exterior which is available in 8 colors. Does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge QC, but the X5 will still charge your device at the maximum output of 2.4 amps. Front USB's output, 5V 2.4A max per port. Total, 54W, 10. 8 amps. Compatible devices, tablets, compatible phone models, universal smartphones. Top reviews from the United States. This product is great if you have an SUV and kids. This product is sturdy enough and great if you have kids. No more, hey mom, are you finished with the charger? Several can charge, use device at same time in front seat and an extension with more ports that can clip on back of front seat for those in the back seats. Problem solved.